A Blackout Bingo bonus round that doesn't trigger can be caused by the game session not registering the qualifying action correctly, so restarting the app and checking the connection should come before reinstalling it. By the end, you'll know what to check when the bonus round stays unavailable, the trigger doesn't activate, or the game continues as if the qualifying action never happened. First, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On Android, open Recent Apps and dismiss the game. Then launch Blackout Bingo and check the same game or bonus screen again. Next, verify that the action required for the bonus was actually completed. If the bonus depends on a specific game result, card, reward, or in-app condition, return to the relevant screen and check whether the qualifying activity is recorded. Don't repeat a purchase or other action simply because the bonus hasn't appeared. If the trigger still doesn't work, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Then, restart Blackout Bingo. A connection interruption can prevent the game from receiving the updated session information needed to activate a reward or bonus. After that, check for an app update. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Blackout Bingo. On Android, open Google Play and search for the app. If an update button is available, install it and restart the game. Android users can also clear temporary app files. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Blackout Bingo, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Avoid clear data unless your account is safely connected and you know your login information, because clearing app data can remove locally stored information. On iPhone, individual apps don't have a standard Clear Cache button. You can instead open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, select Blackout Bingo and use Offload app if that option is available. Reinstall the app afterward, and check the bonus again. Also check whether the problem affects one bonus or several game features. If other rewards, game results, or live information aren't updating either, the issue is more likely related to synchronization. Keep a screenshot of the screen showing that the bonus didn't trigger. If the qualifying action is clearly completed but the bonus remains unavailable, contact Blackout Bingo support and provide the exact game or reward involved. The practical order is simple: restart Blackout Bingo, verify the qualifying action, switch networks, update the app, and clear the Android cache if applicable. The key points are that the trigger depends on the game registering the qualifying action. Connection problems can interrupt synchronization, and repeating the same action isn't the safest first fix. Try these checks before reinstalling or making another purchase. If this fixed your Blackout Bingo bonus round, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting fixes.